Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell an item on Dubizzle. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the Dubizzle website and then click here on place your ad at the top right, and then you need to choose a category. You need to pick one appropriately because that is where the prospective buyers are going to find you. In my case, we're going to do classifieds. So if you're selling an item, usually it will be under classifieds. Then you can either sell with AI, you just simply take a photo, or you upload an image and then they will take care of the rest of the details, or you can do a classic ad post where you enter all the details yourself. I will go ahead and do that. So a classic ad post is what I'll click on, and then you need to enter your title. So this is going to be the title, and then you'll click here on let's go. After that, they're going to ask you to pick the right category for ads. So you can go ahead and scroll down and check everything out, but for me it's a TV, so it is going to be under electronics, and then here television, and then there's the type of TV as well, because we have different TV types. So we are going to pick this one, OLED TV, and then we'll come down here. We'll need to enter these details. Anything with an asterisk, you need to go ahead and fill in. Price 350 dirhams. Now we need to describe our item. Now we have to give details about the age and usage. These are all required. Anything with an asterisk, it is required. You need to go ahead and do that. So this one's light usage, model name, condition, put that in, resolution. Putting in the correct information helps, because when someone is searching for that specific item with the filters, you want them to be led to you. This one does not apply. Brand, go ahead and just search for LG. There we go. This is our home base. You can change this if you want, and then you just come here, click on next. And if you have photos, just click here and add pictures. You need to upload them. So come here, upload these pictures, and I'll show you one thing that's important, where we set the main photo so that people get attracted to our listing. I'll just drag this one here to the top. You can see it's been set to main photo. Then you can click here on next, and then you just have to enter your phone number right here, send a verification code. Then your ad will be listed, such as these ones, and then you can get prospective buyers. And that is how to sell an item on Dubizzle.